Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you on how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram in 2024. So step by step, Instagram is one of the most powerful platforms for affiliate marketing. And I will guide you through everything from signing up for Amazon Associates to setting up your affiliate links using tools like Linktree. So here, first you need to do is to join the Amazon Associate program to get access to affiliate links. So here's how. Go to affiliate.program.amazon.com and then click sign up and either log in with your Amazon account or create one. And after that one is you need to fill in your account details such as the personal information, the website or the Instagram profile, and how you plan to promote the product. Then you can also set up your payment method after that one, so you can choose between direct deposit, gift card, or check. And then once approved, you will have access to your dashboard just like this. You'll be able to see this one. So as you can see here, you can now have some products. So after that one is you want to ensure you're using either an Instagram business or creator account. So go to your Instagram profile. And then first is put some bio here. So I will be putting here because I'll be focusing more on house design. So I will be putting my bio, shop my favorite Amazon finds through the link below. So later I will be teaching you how to put the link here. So first is we need to go to our Instagram profile and then tap that one and then go to the settings and privacy and then select account and then tap the switch to professional account. And then depending on you guys, you can choose either you want to have a business or a creator. It will both work well to affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, you will just need to tap on that switch to professional account. Then you will be completing your profile by adding a bio, professional picture, and then the contact details. So tap on that one and then which best describe you. So here I'm gonna choose the business because I am gonna be selling a product. So here you can also choose here the category in your profile. So depending on you. So as you can see here, you can choose the shopping and retail, the health and beauty. But in this tutorial, I will be choosing the product or the service. Then after that one, you just need to tap on that blue button. Then you will be directed to the next page wherein you will be directed. So you just need to wait for a while. So they may take some time. But after this one, after you complete your profile, you will be adding a bio, professional picture, and then a contact detail. So here guys, the next thing that we need to do here is let's find products to promote that fit your niche. So here's what to do guys. So as you can see here, this is your Linktree. So define your niche. So think about the type of content you create and the products that resonate with your audience. So for example, if you run a fitness account, look for workout gear, supplements, or athletic wear. But for me, I will be focusing on the home or the house finds. So as you can see here, I am going to copy this link and then I will be posting it to my Linktree. So the first thing you need to do here is to sign up for a free account on the Linktree and then set up your Linktree profile, and then you can now add your Amazon affiliate links. So in the Linktree dashboard, click the add new link and then enter a title for the link like that. So I will be putting a title here. So for example, that one is the title from the Amazon. And then after that one, you can paste your Amazon affiliate link in the URL field. So organize your link. So you can add multiple affiliate links here. For example, you could create a tech gadgets or a beauty product section, or just like this one. So my name of the section is the Amazon find. So I'm gonna change the title here. And then after this one is I will be putting here to the Amazon finds. So take note guys that you can also customize your Linktree's appearance with different themes to match your brand, and you can also track the performance of each link in the analytics section. So as you can see here, so this is now my template. As you can see here, you can now read the title of the product. So now that your links are set up, you will be now copying the link here and then put it on your Instagram account. And as you can see here, you can now see my Linktree. So that is my link. And then now edit your profile and then put your link into the website. So I will be putting here. So as you can see here, editing your links is only available on mobile. So take note, guys, that you can put your link only if you will use mobile. So after this one, I'm gonna transfer it to mobile, and then let's try to reload this one. So hold on, guys. I will just transfer it to the mobile. So hold a minute and let's try to reload this one. Then as you can see here, you can now see my link. So now that your links are set up, it's time to create an engaging content. So here's a few steps on types of posts you can make. So you can feed posts, so create beautiful, well-lit images featuring the product you're promoting. You can also use Canva, guys, to edit your images that you will be promoting. For example, that is this one. So here you can also choose Reels, short engaging videos, or Instagram stories. And then you can use Instagram interactive stickers. And you can also use lifestyle shots to show how you use the product in real life. And then use tools like Canva to create visually appealing images to remove background and highlight the product. Then share your affiliate links on Instagram. So here's how to share your affiliate links on Instagram. So you can also put the caption here. For example, direct your followers to the Linktree URL in your bio, which contains all your affiliate links. And in your Instagram stories, you can have it select link and then paste your affiliate link. So keep your bio updated, guys, with the latest product you're promoting, and make sure your Linktree URL reflects your current campaign. So it's important to follow FTC guidelines and disclose that you are using affiliate links, guys. So in your captions, add something like this. So this post contains affiliate links, meaning I may earn a small commission. So now you can also monitor your performance with Amazon Associates. And take note, guys, that analyze which type of content performance best. So you can also use hashtags and Instagram insights. So to increase the visibility of your post, use relevant hashtag like hashtag Amazon Finds, hashtag shop with me, or niche specific tags like tech reviews or beauty hacks. So also don't forget to check Instagram Insight, guys. So let's try to review it. And that's how you can do Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram in 2024, from signing up for Amazon Associates to setting up Linktree and creating compelling content. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on Instagram and affiliate marketing. See you in my next video. Bye!